With my little man, Tank. Yeah, he's very cute. Yes. So as you can see, I'm having a new makeup, definitely no makeup day today, but today's Thursday, so Monday. So looking excited, been waiting for days to do this. My Laura Lee from Los Angeles came on makeup, so I'm so excited to open up. I wanted to do it with you guys, so here we go. Cannot wait. So I watch this girl all the time. I learn so much from her, but she's so funny. She should have been a comedian. She's that hilarious. Glazed and bronzed. There she is. Laura Lee. Los Angeles. Wicked. Ooh, how exciting. So much to do. I haven't done my, oh wow, isn't that gorgeous? Packaging is stunning. And I haven't done makeup of the OXX that we got the other day, so I've got a bit to catch up on. Alright, wow. So it's all like gift wrapped with a sticker on the front. Light medium. Glazed Lip Kit by Laura Lee, Los Angeles. Check it out. How bloody exciting. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is stunning. Have a look at that. Massive mirror in them as well. That is so, so gorgeous. Beautiful palette. So, have a look at the Glazed Lip Kit, the highlight palette. I'm just going to swatch it on my arm. So, we have diamonds, this one here. That is just a there we go. Then we have Glow Gal. Rose All Day, and Cinnamon Sugar. Look at that. That is spectacular. Absolutely amazing. Excitement. Yes. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Thank you, Laura. You're amazing. I watch it every single day. Every single day. Oh, and by the way, Roddy, of course, my amazing husband, bought me these for Valentine's Day, so ordered them on the 14th. Oh, stunning. Stunning. So this is the palette, Nudie Patootie. Wow. Wow. Have a gander at that. Yeah. Go in from the top top left, and we've got, I can barely read these because I'm not blind. Stark is the first one. Stark. Then we've got Undressed. Oh, it's beautiful. It's really creamy. Topless. So we've got Stark, like Stark Naked, Undressed, Topless. Oh, look at that. For an eyeshadow. Streaking. She's hilarious. She is so funny. I love it. I love it already. Just the hear the comedy coming out in what she's doing. I don't know if you can all see that. I don't want to drop the palette. So streaking, these are quite pigmented. Uncover is the next one. I'll just go over that again. It takes a bit to cover off the top of it. Oh, look. Wow. And we're still going across the top, and it's called Strip. So somebody's getting naked. Wow, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Am I gonna have some fun? And this one's called Bear. This is so cute. Oh, that is just beautiful. Look at that end one there. So we have streak, uncovered, topless, streaking, oh sorry, stamp is the first one, streaking, uncover, strip and bear. So that's the top row so far. And we might have to put it over to the other side to do the bottom row. So then we've got exposed. Very well thought out actually. There we go, exposed. All natural. Oh, look at that, it's gold, it's beautiful. Look at that. Go Laura Lee, you're a legend, mate. Seriously. Reveal. Can you hear hubby working in the background there? Reveal, look at that. That is just gorgeous. And we have Jaybird. The texture is just beautiful. Jaybird. Butt naked. Buff. And Pinaki. So I can't really see. So again, from this side we've got exposed, all natural, reveal, Jaybird, butt naked, buff, and naked. Look at that. Far out, Brussels sprout. Wow. Go Laura Lee, you ledge. How exciting. Have a look at the girl. She's gorgeous. Definitely knows what she's doing with her makeup. She's just amazing to watch. So tune into her channel, guys. She's and hilarious. Goodness, she's so funny. So now I'm just going to come in with the lippy. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's awesome.